Hi everyone. In this video, you are going to learn about the touchscreen technology. The main points that we are going to look are introduction, history, working process, technologies, applications, advantages and disadvantages, and then at last conclusion. We all know that a touchscreen is being used in a wide variety of applications to improve human-computer interaction. A touchscreen is an electronic visual display that can detect the presence and location of a touch within the display area. Touchscreens can sense finger and other passive objects such as stylus. Before going into technology, let us see about the history of touchscreen. We all believe that the touchscreen is present from this period of time, but it is surprising that the touchscreen has appeared way back in 60s. Yes, in the year 1965, first finger-driven touchscreen was invented by E. A. Johnson for air traffic control. In 1971, Dr. Sam Hersh, founder of Graphics, developed the first touch opaque sensor, Elograph, at the University of Kentucky. In 1974, he developed the first real touchscreen. In 1977, Graphics developed the 5-wire resistive technology. Then, with the backing of Siemens Corporation, developed a curved glass sensor called the touchscreen. The new transparent technology, AccuTouch, was later developed by the founders of Graphics, Dr. Hurst and Bill Colwell. Nowadays, multi-point touchscreens facilitates the tracking of more than one finger on the screen. Now let us see how does a touchscreen works. There are mainly three components working behind the touchscreen. They are touch sensor. Touch sensor is a clear glass panel with a touch responsive surface. This touchscreen draws current from each corner of electric field controller and measures the ratio of currents to determine touch location. The second is controller. The controller is a small PC card that connects between the touch sensor and the PC. This also takes information from the touch sensor and translates it into information that PC can understand. Next is software driver. The driver is a software that allows the touchscreen and computer to work together. It also tells the operating system how to interpret the touch event information that is sent from the controller. Next, we will see different technologies used in touchscreen. There are four types of technologies used in a touchscreen: resistive, capacitive, infrared, surface, acoustic, wave. First, let us see resistive. The resistive touchscreen is composed of two layers of conductive materials which is coated with a transparent metal oxide coating of indium tin oxide. This uses both the upper and lower layers in the touchscreen as a sandwich to determine the x and y coordinates. Also, in this we must use the pressure to create contact between resistive layers for completing circuit which causes a change in the flow of electricity. Capacitive. Unlike resistive touchscreens, capacitive technology does not use the pressure of your finger to create a change in the flow of electricity. Instead, they work with anything that holds an electrical charge, including human skin. A capacitive touchscreen consists of a glass panel with a capacitive material coating its surface. Circuits located at the corners of the screen measures the capacitance of a person touching the overlay. Next is infrared. An infrared touchscreen uses a ray of X-Y infrared LED and photodetector pairs around the edges of the screen to detect a disruption in the pattern of LED beams. The LED beams cross each other in vertical and horizontal patterns. When a user touches the screen, the sensors detect an interruption in the XY infrared pulses, enabling the controller to calculate the touch location. Next is the surface acoustic wave. This technology uses ultrasonic waves that passes over the touchscreen panel. When the panel is touched, a portion of the wave is absorbed. The change in the ultrasonic waves registers the position of the touch event and sends this information to the controller for processing. And there are many applications for the touchscreen. Many games use the touchscreens as a primary controlling device. The popularity of smartphones, ATMs, and many types of information appliances is driving the demand for touchscreens. Touchscreens are popular in heavy industry and in other situations such as museum displays or room automations. Casino and other gaming systems also use this touchscreen. Computer access for the physically disabled also use the touchscreen. Point of sale terminals, restaurant systems, employee time clocks, and many other uses this touchscreen facility. There are also advantages and disadvantages for a touchscreen. The advantages: the touchscreen mostly used in manufacturing and medical applications since it can be completely sealed. The touchscreen is operated using a stylus or a gloved finger. It is mechanically stronger, clearer, and more wear resistant. Disadvantages: it is very sensitive and can be activated by stray touches. The touchscreen has got low resolution and there will be parallax problems. To conclude this, designers are trying to use touchscreen to simplify input commands. Today, touchscreen has adopted by computer users for all abilities because it is simple, fast and innovative. In future, there is no usage of mouse and keyboards as they will be replaced by touchscreens. That's all. Thank you.